boy.
Thanks.
Look at the body kit on that one.
He made a happy plate.
Right.
Really made a happy plate.
Brendan made a happy plate.
I made 2 happy plates.
No.
What are you looking at?
Why?
A Corvette.
Oh.
That's the way I put it out. But it had a nice body kit.
What's the car? Nugget. That's my nugget.
It's right here, baby.
There's some noodle on that one. That's
Oh.
cherry noodle.
I was playing with my friends. They were pickles, yeah, pickles. And pieces for the hand. And then make funny faces. And pouring. What are you doing? He was hitting me, and he was getting my mouth every day. He was slapping like this.
Oh no.
Yeah, like this. Ow. You can hold those things still. And he drank a ball in my childhood. He was a bad boy. What are you doing now? He was going time now, and that's not fair. He was playing daddy. He was crying. Now his bottom like this. You should not do that. I mean, he was getting your car out of my bag. He got a piece of bag. I got a piece of box for him, and he was saying,
Really showing off them calves.
it's amazing. And he was getting a picture of him. That's a tiny turtle? No, that's a duck. And he was calling a turtle. That's a duck. He said quack. And he was getting the duck out of the bathtub and horns and holding. Get that.
The end.
Bye-bye. I slapped me across the face.
Who did that?
My boy. My own boy. He was
My own boy?
Don't stop doing that, baby.
No, my boy's one of them. Hey! Eat!
You want to take the rest of your food home? Max, go see if they've got a lid for that.
I want to take my shark with me.
Brendan, let's see if they have a lid for that. See if they have a lid for that.
No, that's mine.
I know, but we're going to put a lid on it so we can take it home.
Go ahead.
I don't know what size it is.
The square.
Just say the small square box. How hard is that?
That's the octagon. That's the octagon.
You're right. And when you're right, you're right.
That's my
It's an
octagon.
octagon.
That's my octagon shape.
That's right. That's
Yeah, wait for us.
They're going to go get a lid for your box. Your
Mine?
octagon box.
That's my box.
I know.
Look, why are they getting my box?
So we can take your food home.
That sounds like good.
Okay, now, here we go.
Hey, can I put mine in there too?
Okay. Good job.
Why don't you wait and get down out of the seat first and then you can hold it.